Hello guys, welcome back to the second Java tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to process command line arguments. Now let's just run our program which we made last time. Right, type in Java space hello world. Wow, that was great, isn't it? Well, this isn't pretty bad for us right now at this stage. So what command line arguments really are, I mean, I know most of you know about it, but for those who might not know or might have some doubts about it, well, I would just clear all your doubts right here. The command line arguments basically are all the things, pieces of string, chunks of information that you pass after this point. For instance, Java space hello world space, I can type anything I want, like my name, my last name, my city, anything. And if I press enter, these three values get passed to my program. But the thing which is happening here is very intriguing because the output did not change, and this is because the program didn't process it. Now, in order to process the command line arguments, we need to make use of the args variable. The args variable is a Java default in your main method, and all these individual pieces are located inside a string array of args. What a string is a sequence of characters. Hello world, or your name, or your address, or anything. String is just a sequence of characters which are being passed. Now, string array is a collection of these characters. So as in here, the args would contain Monthan as first first member, Dave as the second member, London as the third member. Now, in order to get the first member, I need to ask for the 0th member, which is 0, because the collection is 0 based. So for the computer, for the Java, the first element in the array is the 0th element in the array. So what I can do is, okay, let's suppose that the user is gonna type in the first value as his first name. So what we can do is we can get the first element by using args bracket the member number, which is 0 in this case, and then closing it like this. But this isn't gonna make any difference because it's not in some kind of statement. It's not a proper statement. This is a syntax error because this args 0 is giving me string, but I'm not putting it anywhere. So in this we'll concatenate two strings by using plus sign and args 0. This means that I'm taking out the first element from the command line args, and I'm adding that first element. This whole thing gets replaced by, in this case, my name, and my name in here is being connected to this by a plus sign. The plus just means that you are putting these two things together. So and yeah, in order to make it look good, what we can do is we can just put a comma and this. So it goes like this: hello world, comma, your name. So let's run this program then. So let me save it. Go to the terminal. You need to compile your program every time you make a change and save your source file. So java hello world.java, press enter, and hopefully, oh yes, it gets compiled, and then I can run it. Java hello world space my name, hello world Monthan. Oh yeah, that's what I need to hear. I can rerun it using any other name, like John, hello world John. I can rerun it by any other name, like hello Mary, hello world Mary. Well, this doesn't make sense, but this is the foundation of everything that you will learn in this tutorial series. This is the main foundation of Java. This is how you start your journey towards greater program development of threads. You can make a whole system for a company. This is the basic foundation. This is where everyone starts. This is from where I started my Java learning thing there. So back to this. Let me introduce you to a bit of the data types, like string here. In here, well, in Java you can have string, int, float, double, char, and well, I think that's it. Now, string is anything which has been inside these double quote marks is string. Anything between two double quote marks is a string. Now, a string also has some special characters, which I'll teach you later in my next tutorial for data types. Then after string you have int, which is an integer 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1.5, not 2.5, just 1, 2, 3, 4. After int you have double, 1.25, 3.55, it's double precision. After that we have float. Float is something hugely point number, 1.5525657 is float. Then we have char. Char means just one character enclosed in a single quotation mark, like S or M or anything. That is a char. Greater types are arrays. More than that is an array list. Then we have collections and so on. So then you have objects and classes, defining objects. Java is everything about classes. So I will lead you all there in due time of this tutorial. But for now, this is how we use the command line arguments. Now let's extend our program to include not hello world, just hello space your first name and your last name. So hello plus args 0 plus args 1. 0 means the first element, 1 means the second element, and so on. So hello plus first command line argument plus second command line argument. Now this isn't gonna look good because the first and second command line arguments are gonna stick together. So I can just add a space bar in between and hell like this. So it's like hello a bit of space in here, and then space, then first command line argument, which is args 0, then a bit of space, and then the second command line argument, arg1. So I need to save the program. Remember, if you want to test your program, save it first. Okay, this is being saved now. I can just go on and just recompile and run it. Java hello world, my first name, last name, hello Muffin Dave. The computer has no knowledge as to what type of information you are passing it here. So you can type any ridiculous information like London, Washington. We'll say hello, this thing, and this is ridiculous because the computer has absolutely no information as to what to expect at this stage. But well, we can't help it. So alright then, guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial. The next tutorial is going to include more about the data types in Java, like int, float, and I'll explain how to define variables in Java, how to use them in together, and how to use them with each other, and how to like have two different types of variables coexist within your program, and then all the very basic stuff in the next tutorial, and basic but important stuff in the next tutorial. So I hope you guys have a good day. See ya.